What's going on, everybody? This is Phil from Millennial Money Gains, and this is Larry from Millennial Money Gains. Let's not talk about what is going on with my face right now. But in today's video, we are going to be talking about a dividend stock that pays almost a 20% dividend. Now, this one is definitely a risky play, but we are going to dissect it and look at the financials and look at everything we can about the company to see if it's worth putting the risk and putting that money at risk with that almost 20% dividend yield. With that being said, let's get started. Before we get right into the video, if you guys can, just please make sure you smash that like button. It really does help out the channel, and I really do appreciate it. Also, if you want to join the family, hit that subscribe button down below. We post here at least 2 times per week, and we post videos such like this one. Anything that has to do with dividend investing or investing in general, swing trading, day trading, anything like that, we post right here on this channel. So if that interests you, please make sure you do hit that subscribe button. Also, check out any links in the description for some free stuff. It really does help out the channel, and I do really appreciate that as well. And why not get some free stuff while you do it? But now, let's hop into this dividend stock we are talking about today. Ticker symbol is ORC. Orchid Island Capital Incorporation, a specialty finance company, invests in residential mortgage-backed securities in the United States. The company RMBS is backed by single-family residential mortgage loans, referred as Agency RMBS. Its portfolio includes traditional pass-through Agency RMBS, such as mortgage pass-through certificates and collateralized mortgage obligations, and structured Agency RMBS, including interest-only securities, inverse interest-only securities, and principal-only securities. The company qualifies as a real estate investment trust for federal income tax purposes. Orchid Island Capital Incorporated was founded in 2010 and is based in Vero Beach, Florida. Now let's hop right into this special dividend that they pay, and let's see if it's actually worth it, if they could maybe keep growing it, or if they are going to decrease it. So they do have a dividend yield right now of about 17.37%, which is pretty high. They have an annual payout of 78 cents per share, with a payout ratio of 81.25%. Now remember, this is a REIT, so that payout ratio does not scare me at all. They do need to pay out a certain amount of their profits every single year in the form of a dividend. So their 5-year growth rate for their dividend is negative 14.23%, so not looking too great there. Dividend growth for 0 years, as you guessed it. They do pay on a monthly basis. They pay their dividend, and they pay 7 cents per share on that monthly basis. The company is currently trading at $4.51 at the time I am making this video, and they are currently down a whopping almost 17% for the year or so. But let's look deeper into their financials and see if we can invest in this company and see if that dividend is even safe or if it's even worth investing into, because almost an 18% dividend is very large, and it can be a decent return on your money. So they do have a market cap of about $790 million with a price to cash flow ratio of 9.28. They have revenue of $9.97 million with revenue growth at a whopping negative 32% in the past year or so. Their revenue per share is about 10 cents with long-term debt, short-term debt sitting at $5.22 billion, and total cash on hand is $471 million. So Seeking Alpha here does not have much data on this company, such as cash flow or long-term debt or anything like that, operating income. But looking at the numbers that it does have, this does not seem like the company is worth investing in my opinion. Now we're going to take a hop right in to see how many shares they have outstanding, see if they are decreasing those shares outstanding, or if they are increasing them to dilute shareholder value. But so far, these numbers are not looking great in my opinion. So let's go down here to total shares outstanding. So in 2016, they had 33 million shares outstanding, and in 2020, they have had 85 million shares outstanding, and now they have over 161 million shares outstanding. So this company keeps diluting, which means they are trying to raise money, which is probably the reason they have such a high dividend, is because they are raising money just to pay that dividend, in my opinion. So right now, this is a very risky play. I would not put any money into it, even though the high dividend yield is very attractive. This does not seem like a play to me to put your money into. That high dividend yield will eventually run out, and you will keep losing your money based on the capital gains. You will keep losing your money, which will be high in losses, and that dividend will probably not be sustainable for the company. They are trying to keep it attractive right now for investors, but it looks like with the issuance of new shares, that dividend yield will keep coming down and down and down, because this company does not look like a healthy company. So that's really all I have to say. Let me know what you guys' thoughts on this one. I saw another YouTuber that was highly recommending the stock, so I really wanted to put my own 2 cents in there and break down the company alone. So I will not be putting any money into this company at all, because it is just too risky of a play for me. But if you are looking for that high yield cash flow, maybe it will be worth it for you to put in for a couple of months, see how it does, and maybe try to get some return on your money. But for me, as a long-term dividend investor, it is not the one for me, even though it has such a high dividend rate. So if you guys, let me know if you guys are invested in this one down in the comments below. Also, if you guys can, just please make sure you smash that like button for all the work that does go into making these videos. Remember to say goodbye to Larry. Larry, appreciate you watching these videos. And also subscribe to the channel, where we post videos like this at least 2 times per week. I will see you all in the next video. Peace!